I'll guide you through the best cloud sharing services without the constant privacy invasions and frustrating storage limitations. Are you tired of the constant storage caps, confusing price hikes, and outright privacy concerns of popular cloud storage providers? In a previous video, I explained exactly why I stopped using Google Drive, OneDrive, and iCloud. That frustration led to an exhaustive search for true and better alternatives. This video is a result of that exhaustive research. I've done the heavy lifting and identified 5 best-in-class cloud sharing services, all with generous free plans that offer superior privacy, features, and value. I have placed links to each of my recommended cloud services in the comments below. So if you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Let's dive into the list, starting with number 5. pCloud is our first alternative, and it immediately sets itself apart by offering one of the most compelling value propositions in the cloud space: lifetime plans. Yes, pay once, use it forever. Beyond that fantastic deal, they offer up to 10 gigabytes of free storage and robust security. For those serious about data protection, pCloud offers client-side encryption, meaning your files are scrambled and secured on your device before they ever hit their servers. It's perfect for long-term data archival and peace of mind. For an in-depth coverage, you can watch our full review of pCloud in the link. If privacy is your number one concern, you need to look at Internxt. They also give you 10 gigabytes of free storage and take zero-knowledge encryption to the extreme. Your files aren't just encrypted. They are fragmented, sharded, and then encrypted again before being scattered across different servers globally. This means no single server ever holds your complete readable file, making it virtually impossible for anyone to access your data. Internxt is ideal for anyone demanding absolute transparency and security. Next up is iDrive. While it offers a solid 10 gigabytes of free storage for sharing, its real strength is as a complete, full-featured backup solution. Unlike simple syncing services, iDrive is designed to back up all the data from multiple devices: your PC, your Mac, and your phone, all under one unified account. It's the ultimate choice for users who need to back up their entire digital life, not just a few shared folders. Sync.com is a powerhouse of privacy that comes with 5 gigabytes of free storage. Security here isn't an add-on, it's the default. Sync.com provides zero-knowledge end-to-end encryption for all its users, whether you're on the free plan or a paid plan. This ensures that even the company itself cannot access or view your files. It's the top choice for professionals who collaborate on sensitive or confidential documents and need features like password-protected sharing links. Finally, we have Box. With 10 gigabytes of free storage, Box is the perfect replacement if your cloud needs are primarily work-related. Box was built specifically for the enterprise, meaning it has superior collaboration features, excellent version control, and integrates seamlessly with hundreds of other business applications like Slack and Microsoft 365. If you're looking to streamline professional workflows, Box is the answer. So there you have it, 5 powerful cloud sharing alternatives that leave Google Drive, OneDrive, and iCloud in the dust. Remember, I have placed links to each of my recommended cloud services in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more cloud storage video tutorials. Thanks for watching.